What are you after, babe?
Oh, I'm just trying to find the paints.
Is that the one we were using?
Oh, I don't know, Daniel, because I can't find any of the paint, Daniel. Like, it's just everywhere, OK?
So you won yesterday. Did you wake up feeling like winners?
No, I sort of went to bed Thursday night a bit deflated, to be honest. I just wasn't in a good headspace. I got home from the challenge, and Jade and I just felt that the boys just didn't get enough done. I'm just working on what I watched yesterday. They did 10 boards and a bit of strapping. We knew that we were a long way behind. I was pretty arky about it. You said yourself you thought it was about 5 hours. So theoretically, they'll get halfway up that window today because there's probably 12 boards there. So unless we're going to see a miracle. So, you know, frustration, you go away and you're doing it pretty easy to challenge. You're still working, but you're not on the tools physically to help.
I reckon there's, what, 6 hours in that?
You're the builder, mate.
So I'd be estimating 6 hours, yeah.
Well, I'm going off at 10 hours up there from yesterday, so...
Well, I wasn't here, so
No, neither was I. You feel helpless because you want to be able to help them, and you know that as soon as you go to a challenge that you can't help and it's out of your control.
I don't know what's happened.
No, that's right, mate. You only just keep doing what you're doing, eh?
Yeah.
You just got to do your best just to keep smiling and talking about it instead of yelling at each other.
And what were you doing last night, Jade?
What was I doing?
Painting, whinging.
Yeah, painting and whinging. It's just crap that you go away and you have 2 days taken away from doing the biggest week ever. They think hallway week's big. That's a load of hallway week ain't nothing compared to this week. This is bullshit. I was just a little bit worried, you know, obviously about our team and whether or not, you know, we were going to get there.
What's that?
Oh, I'm just having a whinge.
Well, I love whinging.
I love to have a whinge. Oh, everything.
Yeah.
It was hard. It was bloody hard. And I'm still happy, and I'm still loving life because it's paint night,
Please,
and I'm with my neighbours, and we're doing the bird.
Get that on camera.
Get that on camera.